Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Battlefield 2042 connection error. If you want to fix it, first click here, type cmd, and then right click on it and click run as administrator, and now type here ipconfig//dns and then click enter, and after that type niche winsock reset and wait, and then now just click enter and your problem will be fixed. Just restart your computer after that, and if that doesn't fix it, go to control panel. Now it's easy, just go to vNetwork status and tasks and then change adapter settings. Now just right click on it and disable it, and after that just wait a few seconds, like 1 minute, and then enable it again, and you will find that your problem is fixed. And see you in the next video.